Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Baby Pepa token. Now this token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They've been trending in the top 10 in and out for the past day or so. They're doing very well. This is a combination of the Pepa Inu token, which is a combination of Peppa Pig and Pepe, which is basically a green pig, like a frog. And now this is the baby version. So we got Baby Pepa now. So this token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now, only a couple hours left. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale's over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Baby Pepa token. So Baby Pepa is more than just a meme cryptocurrency. It is the symbol of the community we're building. We will launch a holders network where all holders are welcome to and be encouraged to actively participate in the construction and growth of the project. 4% reflections in USDT, 3% marketing, 1% automatic burn, 8% taxes, audited farming and staking, marketplace for NFTs and Baby Pepa products on the newsfeed, private chat, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track, 10% cash back for all purchases above 2 BNB, and contract is waived, it says, or renounced, I should say. So there's only a couple hours left of this pre-sale, so if you see this video exactly when I upload it, you can get involved in the last few hours with this pre-sale. So if you're not subscribed, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale's over, you'll be able to get this token off of PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Baby Pepa token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is babypepa.com. You'll have to wait until the pool is filled on PancakeSwap, so I would follow their Twitter, which is at babypepa_, or their Telegram, which is at baby_pepa. So I would follow those two things there, and then you can see exactly when this token is listed on PancakeSwap. Now they do have a full audit, so they were audited by Ace Audits, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PancakeSwap. Right now this token is trending number 4. So ticker symbol is Babyp. Name of the token is Baby Pepa. So far they've had 252 contributors invest in this pre-sale. There's still 5 hours left as of recording this video, so I'm sure they're going to get a lot more investors in the final hours. Usually the tokens, if they're doing well, they sell a lot in the last couple hours. Soft cap was set very small for this pre-sale at 5 BNB, and they've sold 85.86 BNB worth of tokens so far, so they're doing very well. Total supply 420 quadrillion tokens. 129.9 quadrillion tokens for pre-sale, 74 quadrillion tokens for liquidity. And it says PancakeSwap, the liquidity on PancakeSwap will be locked for 365 days. Initial market cap estimate for this project is $44,090. According to their token metrics pie chart here, 48% of the tokens will be burnt. 30.92% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 17.62% of the tokens go to liquidity. We got 1% going to central exchanges, 1% airdrop, 1% goes to central exchanges number 2, and 0.33% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you want to check out their full audit, that's a good idea to review the security on this token before you think about getting it. Now, if you go to their webpage, you can find a roadmap, NFTs you can find on here, farming, referral links, supply. It says, meet baby Pepa, the adorable face of the powerful meme token community. And a white paper is coming soon, it says. So, so it says there is a countdown here, actually, to today. So it looks like immediately, right after the pre-sale is over, this token will just go right over to PancakeSwap because there's a countdown on their page. And it says PancakeSwap fair launch will be in 3 hours and 42 minutes from recording this video, which seems off because the pre-sale ends in 5 hours. So I would assume that it's just right after the pre-sale is over. That's when this token will be just going right over to PancakeSwap. So you most likely will not have to follow what I was saying earlier. It'll just be right after the pre-sale is done. So Baby Pepa is more than just a powerful meme coin. It's a symbol of community. They have a mission to build a decentralized forum, a social network where all holders are welcome to be active and feel accepted, a unique space made for them. So they're going to have quests and competitions for members, profile with their own NFT avatar, member ranking systems, the possibility to create groups and communities, a marketplace for NFTs and Baby Pepa products, newsfeed, private chat, farming and staking, and much more. So you do get 4% USDT reflections. There's an 8% buy and sell tax. So if you buy this token or sell it on PancakeSwap, you most likely will have to set your slippage somewhere around 8%. 3% goes to marketing, 1% burns, and 4% is those reflections in USDT. You can check out their audit on their webpage. They have, let's see here, a roadmap. Is this even available? It looks like their roadmap, I'm not sure if it's available yet. So, it's just a very small roadmap. So it starts with phase 1 is launch the website. Phase 2, launch pre-sale. And then develop the Baby Pepa farm. So you could farm tokens if you know what like DeFi farm pools are, that type of thing. It's kind of like where you can earn interest or APY or APR on your tokens. They have phase 3, develop the Baby Pepa social community, and phase 4, launch the NFT. So it's pretty straightforward. If you want to get an NFT, you can get one on their webpage, and it says you can use your NFT at the forum to stake it in the farm, and then you can get some tokens. And then they have a referral program if you want to earn some tokens that way. They're partners with PinkSale, CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, and Binance Smart Chain. And you can check out their Instagram and their Telegram and their Twitter on their webpage and PinkSale there. So yeah, check this token out for another couple hours on PinkSale pre-sale. Then it's going right over to PancakeSwap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, check out all the referral codes, leave a comment, and check out the Patreon link in the description box as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.